In this video, I am going to create a table using Microsoft Word document. In a class 11th Commerce, there are total 30 students. Number of boys are 12 and number of girls are 18. These students have different choices among three subjects, that is maths, Hindi and informatic practice. I will create a table which will show the number of boys and girls who have opted these three different subjects. First of all, I will give the title to my table. Title of my table is Subject Wise Distribution of Students of Class 11th Commerce. A table has rows and column, so I will insert a table here in this Microsoft Word document, and I will insert rows and columns. I need 5 columns and 5 rows in my table. I have mentioned 3 different subjects here. Students can either opt maths or Hindi or informatic practice at 11th Commerce, and this subject is the heading of the column, that is known as caption. Caption is the heading of the column. Next, I have given the heading of the row as gender, and the heading of the row is known as the stubs. I'm repeating it again. Heading of the column is known as caption and heading of the row is known as the stub. Now I will fill the body of this table. In this table you can see that in maths total number of students are 23 in class 11th Commerce, in which 8 boys have opted maths and 15 girls have opted maths. And only one girl has opted Hindi in 11th Commerce. There is no boy who is studying Hindi in 11th Commerce. And in informatic practice, there are total 6 students, out of which 4 boys have opted for informatic practice and 2 girls have opted for informatic practice. And if we see according to the number of boys, 8 boys are studying maths, no boy is studying Hindi, and 4 boys are studying informatic practice in 11th Commerce. So I have told you earlier also there are total 12 boys in the 11th Commerce, and there are 15 girls who are studying maths, one girl is studying Hindi, and 2 girls are studying informatic practice in 11th Commerce. So there are total 18 girls in 11th Commerce. You can see here this total, that is 12 plus 18 is 30. That is the total of column, and this total, that is 23 plus 1 plus 6 comes as 30, which is the total of the rows. So this will comes as the same. Now I will give some note to my table. I have mentioned one note in my table, that is students have choices among these subjects, that is maths, Hindi and informatic practice. So students, you have now clear idea about the tabular presentation. This table is showing how many girls and how many boys have opted 3 different subjects in class 11th Commerce. Thank you.